to the English watch. Now, one of my viewers has asked me to demonstrate how to remove and refit a bracelet on a stainless steel watch. So all I'm going to do is remove the bracelet on this Tudor GMT. I'm going to show you what tools I use and some of the things to look out for. Okay, so first what we're going to do is look at the tools. Now, the simple spring bar tool here with the forked end, don't use that. All you're going to end up doing is gouging out the spring bar and scratching the lug. Only pops out one at a time. If you've got a watch that's mashed up, then yeah, by all means, but unless you want sort of scratches along the lugs, don't use this. This is okay for rubber or leather straps. What we're going to look at is using this sort of, call it a pliers type tool. Now these can be bought on Amazon or eBay, they're quite cheap, they're about £15. Now the thing to look out with these is the cheap ones, and they're all cheap. These metal tips, they're not made of the best grade of steel and they can fail, and when these start to chip it gets really difficult to remove the bracelet and it can slip and damage the either the watch head or the bracelet. I have scratched one or two, not noticing that these are damaged. So what I've just bought is this type of tool. So this is similar to the Bourgeon tool. These have got hardened steel tips. These ones are blacked, and the only thing I've done is you'll see that I've made the blade sit on the outside, so it will go down the edge of the watch, and you'll see that in a minute. And this gives me quite a nice bit of control, and it comes with a couple of spare tips as well. Now I got this from ABP leather straps, so ABP Concept Paris. They had a Black Friday deal on with 30% off, so this was a bit cheaper than the Bourgeon one, so I thought why not? And so far so good. So let's go straight into it. Now what we want to do first is go for the side of the watch with the narrow piece of the bracelet, so open that up. Now what I don't want to do is just dump this on there, so I'm just going to get a microfiber little lens cloth, just place that over. Now you can, if you want, tape the watch up using some polyimide tape, and you know, if it's your first time you might want to think about that. Now one thing to note is when you do this, try and angle the head of the watch such that it's flat here, so when you pull the bracelet out it comes straight out, it doesn't drop down and potentially spring out and damage the front of the watch head. So angle the watch down, get your spring bar tool, gently align in the hole, then sort of push down, pull them in and pull the watch away. So there you go, removed, nice and easy. So to put it back, it's basically doing it in reverse. Now again, what you want to do is keep this piece down on the mat. Use a soft mat or a leather mat or something that's not going to scratch, and compress the spring bar. So yeah, that's compressed, and then just move the watch head into position and release. Nice and simple. So there you go. Now just for information, I've had this watch back from the menders for the date wheel issue for about a week, and I have to say it's not missed a beat. It's running absolutely as accurate as my Rolex, so it's not gained or lost a second, so I'm really pleased with that because it was losing 2 seconds a day. So there you go. Please like and subscribe if you found that useful. Please check out my other videos and check me out on Instagram at The English Watch. Anyway, I'm Andy, this has been The English Watch. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.